BWXT is a great supplier for Bruce Power. They're a critical part of Ontario's economic development and economic community. You know, BWXT makes components for nuclear power stations around the world. We're so fortunate to have this facility here in Ontario. Here at Bruce Power, we've ordered steam generators from BWXT to really replace all the steam generation units on our Bruce B plants. The steam generators that they're making for us employ hundreds of people throughout the province. We couldn't do this work without that Canadian labor, being the United Steelworkers Union and building trades, to both manufacture these steam generators and install them in our facility. They're core to our power generation and they're core to our company for the long term.
So we've been making the steam generators for MCR. It's critical with steam generators that we have good materials that we know will last the full expected life of the plant, that they'll operate as predicted. It's very important that as we assemble these generators, that we're ensuring that we're building exactly as per the design. So that's why there's regular inspection and testing built in. It's a full life cycle support there for Bruce Power to ensure that they have the long-term expected life and operate the way they're expected to operate. We're a big employer. There's about 800 people that work in Cambridge here for us. Beyond that, we've got a facility in Owen Sound where we manufacture parts of the steam generators there. Yeah, we're seeing that it's creating a tremendous amount of jobs, the investment that Bruce Power is making and others are making in extending the life of reactors in this province. And so all of that is enabled by the fact that we have such a very large and long-term contract, which is highly unique in the industry.
As we know, with our population growing rapidly and the amount of economic investment that's happening in Ontario, our energy needs are going to double in about 30 years. So having this type of partnership with BWXT and Bruce Power will be absolutely crucial in keeping Ontario on and going into the future. What this project means is a large number of highly skilled jobs in both Bruce County and in Kitchener and Cambridge. And this really puts Ontario on the map as a global leader in innovation and development in the nuclear industry, and the MCR project is showing the rest of the world how it's done.